Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this property, 6 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. If see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.5. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this property is 2 p.m. If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comments. If you want to know more details about this property, please go to the description. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you